Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a good minute since I posted. Yes, I know, but I have an excuse. I know I'm always giving excuses, but this one is real, for real, especially the other ones. But this one was really important. Why? Because school just started. And you know, I've been busy trying to work on myself and just pass this year because Lord knows I'm tired of school. I'm tired of waking up in that school every day, getting work done, just for it to get wasted and get grades, just for me to go to college. Now, college, yes, I want to go to college, period. I do. I want to become a cosmetologist and all that. But, yeah. Plus, I want to be a business owner. I'm trying to get that business degree, period. Because I don't want to work for nobody when I get older. The fuck? Who the hell wants to work for somebody? I want to be my own boss. I have my own business like all of these bitches out here, okay? Anyways, so I want to do a Q&A. So I want y'all to comment down below what y'all want to know about me and what y'all want to hear from me, what y'all want me to do on this channel. If y'all want story times, ask me questions about anything, period. Like, because I really do want to do a Q&A. So make sure y'all comment down below and ask me some questions. Okay? Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. School this year is about to be so rough, but that's okay. It's only about to be mad rough for me because I go to an IB school, so we get extra work. Extra work. But listen, it's whatever. Do what I gotta do and keep it pushing, as always. Look good. Anyways, yeah. So make sure y'all comment down below what you want to see and what questions you want to know about me. Ask me anything, period. I don't care. Shoot. I'll answer every question if I get a lot of questions, which I doubt, but if I get a good couple, I'm going to answer all of them and keep y'all updated. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yes, make sure you comment the questions, what you want to know, what you want to see, whatever. Just comment. And thank you for the people who stayed, the people who left. Y'all know what that is. F y'all. Period. And yeah, thanks for staying. Thanks for coming back to watch my video. And yeah, come back. Next video popping up will be the Q&A. Now, I was supposed to post a wig making video, but you see what happened was I ended up making that wig way too late. Plus, I was not trying to record. It was just not happening. It wasn't working out. No space, no nothing. It was just like, just get it done. And that's it. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I was not trying to record. Like, it just wasn't the best day to do it. So I was just like, I'm gonna do another one another time. I might do a different color. The wig that I did was actually green. I could show y'all really quick. And I did post for all of y'all who have me on social media and Instagram. Ooh, I need a comb. Where my comb at? Do a little touch up for y'all. Period. Because this was just sitting around. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's green. I actually mixed 2 colors with this. Technically this wasn't the color that I wanted to come up of. I didn't want that color. I actually wanted it to be more yellowy and more slime like. I didn't want it to be like on the green side. I wanted it to be like more neon yellow, or like a yellow transitioning into neon green. But it's okay. It's cute. So whatever, I still wore it. It made me look mad cute. If y'all want to see the pictures that I posted with this hair, I will be putting my Instagrams right here, and just check it out. Like my pictures, subscribe, shoot, follow me. If you don't, that's okay. It's okay. It's all good, but just make sure y'all check out my pages. You know, I'm very inspirational. Even though some people don't say that, but listen, I inspire myself, period. If I don't inspire you, oh well. I must inspire somebody out there. Somebody is always inspiring somebody, whether they're speaking to you or they're not. Whether they like you or they're not, or they don't like you. There's always somebody watching. I remember somebody told me that. I don't remember who it was. I think it was my mom or something. Someone in the family. And it was like, somebody's always watching you no matter what. So keep on doing what you're doing. Because one day you're going to make it. And there's going to be people who going to be like, oh snap, I remember you. You used to do this and that. You big now. Ooh. So, yeah. Make sure y'all love yourselves. For all the people out there who are going through the struggle of loving themselves, make sure y'all love yourselves. I'm sending my love out there for y'all. Oh, and and rest in peace to all the people who died. Well, not died, but passed away on 9/11. Rest in peace to them. I send my condolences to all the people who have lost somebody from that day, and I just send my blessings. I wish y'all the best, and yeah, try and have a good life. I'm all about positivity, you know. All them thick girls out there, if you get bullied, stunt on them hoes. Fuck them. Excuse my language, but fuck them. Okay? Stunt on them. Show them you got it. Show them you out here and you don't care about what they say. Period. Even for the skinny girls who are getting bullied too, because I know y'all out there, y'all getting bullied too. It's not a lot of y'all who get bullied, but most of y'all, yeah. Stunt on them hoes. Put your big girl panties on and stunt on them hoes, okay? I'm telling you right now, because when they realize that you got it, once they realize that you good and you don't care about what they say, they not gonna be ready, boo. They not gonna be ready. They're not gonna be ready. They're not gonna be ready for you. Okay, so all the people out there who's getting bullied, them, okay? F them. And stunt on them. Show them you got it. Do what you gotta do. Love yourself. Period. Because that's all you need. All you need is yourself. All you need is that bag. Hop in that bag and keep on running with it, okay? Or if you're chasing the bag, keep on chasing it until you hop into it. That's what I'm doing right now. Period. But yeah, love yourself. Love others. Don't hate on others. Yo, I hate when people do that. But don't hate on others. Love yourself. Love others. Keep positivity. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And shoot, share my video. I'm trying to get these views up, girl. Okay? I'm trying to get up there. I got a good personality. Y'all don't like me? Anyways, if y'all don't like me, fuck y'all. Period. Yeah, but see y'all later. I love y'all. Kisses to everyone who's here and who ain't here, because y'all suck. Oh well. Suck my dick. 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 Anyways, bye. See y'all later. And have a good day.